Ready, yoga for abs. Get those abs moving, get them warmed up. This is a great supplement to your yoga practice. Come lying down on your back on a yoga mat or soft carpet. Hands can be underneath your glutes, butt, or if you don't need the lower back support, then you can have them stretched out alongside you. Don't be afraid to have them underneath you. Look towards your feet, stretch your arms, and then lift your feet, stretching your legs out. Stretch, add breath of fire if you know it. Inhale, exhale, or just do long, deep breathing. Stretch those legs out, toes pointed, a little bit longer, a little longer. Warming up the abs and relax. Take a few moments to relax. Stretch out your neck if you need to, or stretch out anything, any kinks you have right now. Getting ready for bicycle abs. These are different than regular abs. The bicycle for yoga, you're going to be more active, pushing out your leg, almost like kicking. Begin left leg, push, kick. Kick and extend your legs out as far as you can. You'll feel it all the way into the hips. Your abs are strong. Kicking out, feeling it in your lower abs. Moving a little bit longer. Kick, push. Head is relaxed. A little bit longer. Keep up. Keep going. Deep breathing. You're still getting warmed up. Don't worry if you're a little shaky. Just a little bit longer. Pushing, kicking, reaching, and hug your knees. That's all for this exercise. Next one. Relax. Relax in Savasana a few moments. And stretch overhead. Next exercise. This is very advanced. Grab behind your thigh. Pull with your arms. Pull up if you can, otherwise just lift your lower back off the floor a little. Leg is straight. Deep breathing. This is very active. I am pulling with my hands. And relax down. We're going to switch over. I lifted up, grabbed, and lifted. Inhale and lift up if you can. Otherwise, just hold from a low position like I am right now. Your abs are strong, your back is strong. Everything's very straight. You won't be able to lift up to the high position unless you're very strong and straight. Okay, relax. Now both legs into boat pose. And up. Holding boat pose, hands behind your thighs, calves, or even feet. Your legs should be as straight as possible. Normal breathing. Tight core. A little longer and come down and relax again. Okay, next exercise. Get ready, shake out the legs, shake them out. Stretch out your hamstrings a little bit for this next one. We're not very warmed up, but you do need to warm up your hamstrings. Stretching out a little bit. Okay, hands alongside, just behind the knees, and you're going to press really hard for an L-sit. Get ready for L-sit. Press, press, press. Send your hips back and your feet up. You can also do this just lifting one foot off the ground at a time. And drop. Okay, next up. If this is too hard on your wrists, then skip this or just lift one foot, putting little pressure in the wrist. One more time, lift. And down. Shake out your legs any way that feels good. You might feel cramping in your quads or hips. Shake. Massage them out. Now, next exercise. Extremely advanced. Lolasana. This is the bonus round, so if you're tired, you can end here. Shake out your wrists and extremely tight core. Start with one foot. Lift one foot off the ground. Pull your knees in as much as you can, and then release. Switch to the other foot. Lift the other foot and relax down. Pull in those knees, pull, 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 and lift one foot, lift the other foot up, and hold. Press your arms as straight as you can and drop down. We're not holding it very long because our wrists and our legs are not that warmed up. Feel free to warm up more and try this again in the future. Stretch your arms up high, stretch your abs to the front, stretch your abs to the back. Shake out and thank you.